This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you have Teams owner rights and SharePoint access so changes stick. Create or link a SharePoint site directly from the channel. Choose Team Site for file collaboration or Communication Site for broadcasts. Once created, set basic permissions and a logical name. This ensures discoverability and reduces permission fixes later. Make sure to add the key members and group ownership now so document libraries, inherit correct access, and sync options become available immediately. Next, design the structure. Create libraries, folder taxonomy, and metadata columns so users can filter and find files. This avoids chaotic file dumps. Configure versioning and retention policies so you can recover earlier edits and meet compliance. Enable OneDrive Sync for frequent editors, and add the library as a Teams tab so everyone accesses the same view. Once done, test uploading files, check version history, and confirm sync conflicts. Resolve via OneDrive notifications. Finish by adding automation. Build Power Automate flows for approvals and notifications to reduce manual steps. Tighten security. Apply conditional access, limit external sharing, and set expiration on guest links so data stays protected. Train users on check-in/checkout and preferred metadata, and document your processes so adoption is consistent. If something goes wrong, check the audit logs and version history first. Most sync or permission issues resolve by reapplying inherited permissions or relinking the OneDrive sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.